Dear students, in the last class we had maths exam. Now I will tell the answers. So you have to write all these questions and their answers in your notebook. Okay. So before that I will tell the names of students who scored good marks in this exam. They are Abhinant, Anvit, Ashlesh, Bhavit, Fatima Shamha, then Hriday Krishna, Kaushik, Manvi, Minvi Joy, Muhammad Alima Faz, then Reema and Snehapriya. So congrats all. And those students who made mistakes in this exam, correct your mistakes and do good in coming exam. Okay. So our first question is, calculate the following. 1 by 4 of 1 by 7. So how can we calculate this? 1 by 4 of 1 by 7. Say 1 by 4 of 1 by 7. Here you have to multiply these two fractions, 1 by 4 and 1 by 7. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 7. Numerator it is 1 and here also 1, and in denominator here 4 and here 7. So multiply the numbers in the numerator, that is 1 into 1, then multiply the numbers in the denominator, that is 4 into 7. So we will get 1 by 28. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 7 is equal to how much? 1 by 28. Then second question, 1 by 11 of 1 by 3. So we have to multiply the numbers in numerator and numbers in denominator. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 11 into 3. So 11 into 3 is 33. So the answer is 1 by 33. Next, 2 by 3 of 1 by 4. So 2 by 3 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1, that is 2, divided by 3 into 4. 3 into 4, 12. So the answer is 2 by 12. We can simplify this. So we can simplify this again. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So the answer is 1 by 6. Then 1 by 8 of 1 by 3. Multiply 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1. Then 8 threes are 24. In the same way, 1 by 3 of 1 by 7. 1 into 1, that is 1, divided by 3 sevens are 21. Then 1 by 7 of 1 by 2. Multiply 1 into 1 is 1. Then 7 twos are 14. 1 by 3 of 1 by 3. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 3, 9. Then 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 fours are 8. Then 1 into 1, 1. 8 6 are 48. So this is the answer. Second question. A string of 1 meter is cut into 9 equal parts. So 1 meter string is cut into how many equal parts? 9 equal parts. What is the length of each piece? So we have to find out what is the length of each piece. So 1 meter length string is divided into how many pieces? 9 equal pieces, so that the length of each piece will be equal to how much? 1 by 9 meter. 1 by 9 meter. So the answer of first question is 1 by 9 meter. Then what is the length of 3 such pieces? So the length of one piece is how much? 1 by 9 meter. Then length of 3 such pieces is equal to 3 into 1 by 9. 3 is in numerator and 9 is in denominator. So here you have to multiply the numbers in the numerator together. That is 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 9. So that we will get 3 by 9. So we can again simplify this. 3 ones are 3 3, then 3 threes are 9. So the answer is 1 by 3. The length of one piece is 1 by 9 meter. Length of 3 pieces is equal to how much? 1 by 3 meter. Then third question. What is the length of half of one such piece? So you have to find out what is the length of half of one such piece. So 1 meter length string is divided into 9 equal parts, and the length of one piece is 1 by 9 meter. So this one piece is again divided into 2 equal pieces. Then you have to find out what is the length of one piece. So the length of one piece is 1 by 9 meter. Length of half of one piece, that is half of this piece. Half of 1 by 9, that is multiply half and 1 by 9. Half into 1 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 80 meter. 1 into 1 is 1. 9 into 2 is 18. 9 twos are 18. So the answer is 18 meter. Next, third question. A wooden block weighs 1 by 6 kilogram. What is the weight of 18 such blocks? The weight of one block is how much? 1 by 6 kilogram. We have to find out what is the weight of 18 blocks. So weight of one block is how much? 1 by 6. Then weight of 18 such blocks is equal to how much? 1 by 6 into 18. See, here 1 is in numerator and 18 is in numerator. So multiply these two numbers. 1 into 18 is 18 divided by 6. So imagine that here 1 is there. Then 6 into 1 is 6. So the answer is 18 by 6. So how can we simplify this? 18 divided by 6 is equal to how much? 3 kilogram. So the weight of one block is 1 by 6 kilogram. Then weight of 18 blocks is equal to how much kilogram? 3 kilogram. What about 21? So we have to find out the weight of 21 wooden blocks. So the weight of one wooden block is how much? 1 by 6 kilogram. Then weight of 21 blocks is equal to 1 by 6 into 21. That is 21 into 1 is 21 divided by 6. 21 by 6 kilogram. Fourth question. One glass can hold 1 by 5 liter of water. How much water can we pour in 4 glasses? So one glass can hold how many liters? 1 by 5 liters. Then how much water can we pour in 4 glasses? So one glass holds how many liters? 1 by 5 liters of water. Then 4 glasses will hold 1 by 5 into 4. One glass can hold 1 by 5 liters. Then 4 glasses can hold 1 by 5 into 4. So that is 1 into 4, 4 divided by 5. That is 4 by 5 liters. Next question. In 10 glasses. So if one glass can hold 1 by 5 liters of water, then 10 glasses will hold 1 by 5 into 10. That is 10 into 1, 10 divided by 5. 10 by 5, that is 2 liters. So 10 glasses can hold how many liters of water? 2 liters of water. Fifth question. An 8 meter long ribbon is cut into 5 equal parts. What is the length of each piece? So 8 meter long ribbon is cut into how many equal pieces? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal pieces. Then the length of each piece will be equal to 8 by 5 meter. So the length of each piece is 8 by 5 meter. If you divide 8 meter long ribbon into 5 equal parts or pieces, then the length of each piece will be 8 by 5 meter. Second question. 8 kilogram of rice is packed in 3 bags. How much rice is in each bag? So 8 kilogram of rice is packed in how many bags? 3 bags. Then each bag will contain 8 by 3 kilograms of rice. Sixth question. Find the half of 1 by 4 liter. So half of 1 by 4 liter means what? Half of 1 by 4, that is half into 1 by 4. So half into 1 by 4 means 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 4, that is 1 by 8 is the answer. Then half of 1 by 7 meter. Half of 1 by 7 means half of half into 7. Half into 7 is equal to how much? 1 into 1 is 1. 2 sevens are 14. So the answer is 1 by 14. Then find the half of half. So half of half means what? Half into half. Half into half is equal to 1 into 1, 1. 2 twos are 4. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Next. 1 kilogram yam is cut into 5 equal pieces. Find the weight of each piece. So 1 kilogram yam is cut into how many equal pieces? 5 equal pieces. Then the weight of each piece will be equal to how many kilograms? 1 by 5 kilogram. Find the weight of 3 such pieces. So the weight of one piece or weight of each piece is equal to how much? 1 by 5 kilogram. Then weight of 3 such pieces is equal to, so we have to find out the weight of 3 pieces. So this piece, this piece, this piece. So we have to find out the weight of 3 pieces, that is 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 how many times? 3 times. That is 1 by 5 into 3. That is 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 5. That is 3 by 5 kilogram. The same question, but the weight is different here. 3 kilogram yam is cut into 5 equal pieces. Find the weight of each piece. Here 3 kilogram yam is cut into 5 equal pieces. Then the weight of each piece is equal to 3 by 5 kilogram. Next question. Find the weight of 3 such pieces. So weight of one piece is 3 by 5 kilogram. Then weight of 3 such pieces is equal to 3 by 5 into 3. Where 3 by 5 is the weight of one piece. Then weight of 3 pieces 3 by 5 into 3. 3 into 3, that is 9 divided by 5. So weight of 3 pieces is 9 by 5 kilogram. So write all these questions and answers in your notebook.